Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today we're going to do some maintenance on our 22-inch Blackstone lid. Had it for about 2 years. We're going to sand it down and hopefully paint it and she'll look brand new. Alright, we roughed it up as much as we're going to. This is not a body shop. This is a let's see how long we can make this cheap little lid last with minimal effort. So we roughed it up. I know that it's not all the way down to bare metal everywhere like body shops would do. This is just literally a inexpensive 22-inch Blackstone lid that I'm just knocking off the rust, roughing it up, and we're going to spray some black heat resistant spray paint on and see how long that lasts. Maybe a year, maybe a two. I'll be happy with that. So I'm going to take this handle off and start spray painting. Well, there it is. Not bad. Quick little fixer-upper.